happen to have a LashStuff Lash Lift Kit. And so we're gonna look at it together and see what's in here, okay? I also have their lash and brow tint, okay? So let's go through this. Let's see what's in here, right? First of all, can I just say, again, I've only ever used Elibana. This was what my stuff came in for Elibana, which is, this was the student kit, right? So it's like a box. Obviously there's nothing in here, right? Okay, but LashStuff gave me like a whole bag, right? So even if I don't use this bag for my lash lift stuff in the future, I can use it for something else. Who doesn't like extra shit, right? Okay, so let's look inside of this bag and see what's in here. We have got, and what it says here, it's a professional eyelash lift kit. Oh, I gotta put me back in the screen, right? You can't see that, and or maybe you can, but it's like backwards and inverted. It says eyelash lift creams, eyelash rod glue, the rods, micro swabs, gel pads, and micro pore tape. So let's open this. You know, I never told you guys this, but when I was in high school, I used to work at a supermarket, and I used to get all these compliments on my hands and that I should be a hand model. Ladies and gentlemen, because I'm pretty sure there's some boys in here, this is for 10 applications. So if you don't already, I probably should have also said this at the beginning. If you don't know what a lash lift is, it is a chemical process that permanently curls the natural lashes, and once their natural lashes shed, it goes right back to their natural curl, okay? And it can last about 6 to 8 weeks, or whenever their lashes shed. So let's open this. This is step 1 and step 2. So most, like, I mean, this is general for a oh, I like that it does this. Okay, so all lash lifts have activator and a neutralizer. The activator is what is opening the cuticles and permanently changing the curl of the lashes. The neutralizer is what is stopping the activator and then sealing the curl that you just put in, okay? Yes, Minx by Bay, you really do need to take a course for the lash lift, and let's talk about why real quick. Because have you ever chemically burned somebody's eye with a lash lift? Guess what? I have, and I took the class, okay? So, yes, you really do need to take a course for a lash lift, because guess what? If you get any of this in somebody's eye because you didn't properly follow the steps, because you didn't know what you were doing, guess what, honey? This is far worse than eyelash extensions. This right here will end your career if you don't know what you're doing and you don't do it properly. I will tell you the story about how I burned somebody's eye, my very first customer lash lift, another time. That's not for today. So, okay. Here's what I do like about this though. These come together. Like, step 1, step 2, so activator, neutralizer, right? These are coming together, which means I kind of like that, because Elibanas, they were loose, but I like that they come together, right? So this is the 10 pack, and this is how they come in this box. Sorry, the light. This is how they come in the box, right? Okay. Then, so that's step 1 and 2. Oh, so we've got the eyelash rod glue, and then we have the eyelash conditioner. Now this is an additional step that I personally have not used before. Okay, these are the rods that come in here, and they're color coded so that you can tell the difference between small, medium, and large. Let me open this. They feel just like regular rods. They feel like Elibana's rods. They feel like the silicone rods. Excuse me. This one, this is a medium, and it's labeled on the inside so that you know what it is. This actually looks like a, doesn't it look like a nail? So, these are the rods. Also comes with some picks for you to comb the lashes onto the eyes. And some micro swabs. All right, let's keep going, right? Because that right there is just the actual products. There's more stuff in this bag, okay? So let's get into it. What else is in here? iPads. Lint-free iPads. Let's look at the shape. Let's open it. All right, so we've got iPads in here. They're also matte. They actually feel kind of nice. Had to end my live, and this is what happens on Instagram, and this is why we are filming this here. So I'm ending the live. I'm trying to save it now to my phone, and then I'm going to share it so that it's up for everybody else to see, and then I gotta go back on again and hope that everybody comes back. Problems. Share that. Let's go live again. These are matte, which means there's no lint on it. They're not shiny either. And this gel on the back is like, I don't know, y'all. It's kind of nice. It's pretty jelly. Let's see. It feels really cool too. I'm gonna leave that on for a little bit. Okay. There's no sound in here. Lash cleanser pads. Hold on, let's open this. Brand new, right? So lash cleanser pads removes makeup and oil residue. So this is something that you would use if and or after your clients wash their lashes before you do a lash lift. Again? Hi, if you're seeing this and it's still within the 10 o'clock hour, go meet me over on YouTube because Instagram is messing up my live, and yeah, go meet me over on YouTube. YouTube's filters suck. A whole pack of mascara wands, 50 count. That's only $5. Then we got more micro brushes. This is a lash pick that you can also use to lift the lashes onto their rod. One sec. Ooh. Oh, it feels nice. Like, obviously I'm used to holding steel tweezers, but this feels nice. So you use this pick. Let me go back down here too. So you're gonna use this pick so that when you put the rod on, you need to lift the lashes and then also separate them to make sure they're evenly separated. Back in the bag, right? So back in the bag we've got, is this 100 count? We've got 100 count micro swabs. We've got lash cleanser pads, micro pore tape, a lash pick tool. Yeah, let's get you back in there so we don't lose you. Mascara lash wands. We've got the rods in medium, small, and large, along with some plastic picks, and I'm going to put it back into the box that comes with 10 applications, and they come together, right? So step 1 is activator, step 2 is neutralizer, and it's single packets. So you're going to use this on this packet alone is what you're using on one client. Just enough product for both of their eyes. Yes, this is from LashStuff. This is a lash lift kit from LashStuff. This is the, let me see, this is the 10 application kit, the $129.99 kit. And then, oh, this comes in here too. So this, y'all are about to peep this shit, right? It's called marketing. You put this up at your front desk and you can say, now offering lash lifts. Dramatic curl-less, 6 to 8 weeks, no after curl. So this is like your marketing ploy right here up at your front desk, right? Let's see. Do not apply the lash lift to yourself. Don't do it, girl. Unless you want to see your whole lash light flash before your eyes, don't do it. Free online training for the lash lift when you buy the kit. And then we have a product guide. Oh. All right. The product guide is giving you the breakdown of all the products that are included with the kit and pretty much an instruction manual on how to apply lash lifts. Now guess what? Another reason why it's good to have this live free training with them is because then you get to ask questions. You get to ask questions. Oh look, and then they have a live demo. So when you purchase the kit, if you want to watch a live demo of a lash lift happening, you just take this thing and you go to that link. Wow. Lash lifts and tints from LashStuff. So from what I found, the price comparison that I did though between these 5 brands, 5 lash lift options, I gotta say LashStuff has the best. Did I just say that word? I just said that word. You know I don't like that word. They have the better offering. I mean, for your buck, more bang for your buck. Plus you get free training. I mean, hello. So yeah, this LashStuff kit for the lash lifts, 10 applications, $129.99, 30 applications, $180. The lash tint kit, $99, 3 colors, 50 to 60 applications out of that. So, oh, and let's also do that math, right? So when you do lash lifts, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $150 because it's a service that they're not coming back for, right? So you can charge that much for it, and look at that, you're gonna make your money back in 2 appointments. 30 applications, 2 appointments, you're gonna make your money back.